Find your tail. 트레저와 함께 달려. Ready for action, let's go. 추억 건물을 찾으러. Treasure hunt.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yuli Asri. You can call me Yuli or Asri. I was born in Bandung. I live in Cikalong Wetan. My hobbies are writing and editing. My daily life is creating files for the school administration. I took the Islamic Communication and Broadcasting study program at STI Dr. Hayazat Mutakin because I have an interest in photography and I want to be able to communicate more confidently. That's all for me. Nice to meet you. Thank you.